Imagine waking up tomorrow and suddenly behaving like the most disciplined version of yourself. No snoozing the alarm. No procrastinating. No, I'll start from Monday. Just smooth, focused, unstoppable you. Sounds impossible, right? Well, here's the twist. You don't need a new life to change. You just need a new identity. And today, I'm going to show you why identity is actually stronger than motivation, willpower, and even those productive reels we keep saving but never use. Let's be honest for a second. We all have habits we're proud of and habits we pretend don't exist. Like you might say, I'm trying to be healthy, while eating samosa number 2. Or, I'm building discipline, while scrolling Instagram and somehow ending up watching a video of a cat doing yoga. It happens. We're human. But here's the secret. The problem isn't your habits. The problem is the identity behind them. Identity shapes habits, and habits reinforce identity. Let me explain. There are 3 layers of change. 1. Outcome: what you want. Lose weight, study more, wake up early. 2. Process: how you get it. Gym, timetables, alarms. 3. Identity: who you believe you are. I'm someone who takes care of my health. I'm a consistent learner. Most people try to change the top 2. But the real transformation happens at level 3. Because when your identity shifts, your habits follow automatically. Think about it like this. If you believe you're a person who never finishes anything, guess what your habits will look like? You'll start things, lose motivation, make excuses, and boom, identity confirmed. But if you start saying, I am a person who keeps promises to myself, then even small steps feel powerful. Suddenly, doing 10 minutes of studying isn't too little. It's proof of your new identity. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say you're trying to become a fit person. Now imagine 2 versions of you. Version A: I'm trying to get fit, yar. Translation: I don't believe I'm fit yet. I'm just suffering. Version B: I'm a fit person. I take care of my body. Translation: this is who I am. So gym, diet, walks, they're normal. Whose habits will stick better? Exactly. Identity makes the hard things feel normal. Small habits equals identity upgrades. You don't need a transformation montage from a Bollywood movie. You just need tiny actions that vote for your new identity. Read 2 pages. I'm a reader. Save 50 Indian rupees. I'm financially disciplined. Walk for 5 minutes. I'm someone who moves. Clean your room for 3 minutes. I'm an organized person. Small habits are basically micro-evidence that slowly convince your brain. Yes, bro, this is who we are. And here's the funny part. Your brain loves consistency. If you say, I'm a healthy person, and then you're eating chips at 2 a.m., your brain will be like, excuse me? This does not match the brand image we are trying to build. So it nudges you to act according to your new identity. That's why identity is powerful. It turns discipline from a struggle into a natural behavior. So how do you actually change your identity? Start small. Very small. Ridiculously small. Don't aim for 1-hour meditation sessions. Start with 30 seconds. Don't aim for 50 push-ups. Do 2. Don't aim for reading books every night. Just open the book. Literally open it. If you read 1 paragraph, great. If not, still great. You cast a vote. These tiny actions, repeated daily, quietly rewrite your identity. Here's a simple formula. Backhand index pointing right, decide who you want to become. Backhand index pointing right, do 1 small habit that proves it. Backhand index pointing right, repeat until your brain accepts it as truth. Once that identity locks in, habits become easy, almost automatic. And the best part? This works in every area of your life. Health, productivity, relationships, confidence, everything. Because the moment you shift from, I want this, to, this is who I am, your life starts moving in the right direction. So here's your challenge for today. Pick 1 identity you want. Just 1. Maybe, I'm a focused person. I'm someone who takes care of my mind. I'm consistent. I'm calm. I'm confident. I'm disciplined. Now do one tiny habit that matches that identity. That's it. One vote. And tomorrow another. And slowly, without drama, without force, you become the kind of person you always wanted to be. Because habits are not just things you do. They're stories you tell your brain about who you are. Change the story, and your whole life changes. If you like this breakdown and want more content like this, just stick around. Your future identity will thank you.